how to add new fonts in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add new font in CapCut PC. Now here in my CapCut, I want to add a new font, so I'll just minimize the CapCut. Now here is the font, so I'll open the font. After you open the zip of the font, now double click on the font. So here is it, install. So tap on this yes. So allow it now to finish installing. After it finish installing your font like this, now close it, and go and open up your CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now if you are on a project, go to this menu, and then go to back to home page. So now it will close your project. So now here is the project again. So now reopen the project that you want to use the font in it. After you relaunch the project like this now, so now make sure you go to this text at the top and make sure you add the text. So here is now text. If you come to this text, now go ahead and tap on this plus to add the text. After you add your text like this, now select the text and then go to this text, and under this text, go ahead and click on this system font. So if you come to this option now, there is different fonts. So there is system and there is preset. So make sure you are in this all and go to system font. Under this system font, make sure you know the name of your font. So after you know the name of your font, just scroll to down and type in the name of the font. So let's say my font is under the T letter. So I'll just scroll to down. I'll just take this scroller to T section. After you come to the T, the letter of your font. So my font is in T. I'll just scroll to down and go to T. So in this section. So now if you come to this section now, here is the font that I added. Just click on the font, you'll be able to find the font. Just know the name of the font. After you know the name of your font that you added, just go through the font under the system. So you'll be able to find the name and just click on the font. Here you'll be able to use your new font that you added into your CapCut PC. And that's it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe.